Dead key fob battery? No problem. Your 2020-2022 Hyundai Palisade has a mechanical backup. First, locate the hidden key blade inside your fob. Slide the cover to reveal it. Use this key to unlock the driver's side door. Once inside, place the key fob on the center console near the start button. Press the start button. The car's system should detect the fob's transponder signal, allowing you to start the engine. Remember, the car needs to detect the fob within approximately 3 feet. Prevent a dead key fob by replacing the CR23-2 battery every 1 to 2 years. It's a cheap fix that keeps your key working reliably. For newer Palisades from 2023 onward, digital key integration via smartphones is available. This reduces reliance on physical key fobs and makes access more convenient. The industry is moving towards battery-free alternatives like ultra-wideband keys and biometric access. Although retrofits for older models may be limited, these trends offer greater convenience. If your key fob is completely unresponsive or if you are having issues, consult your local Hyundai dealership for assistance.